SWOOD 2026 is just around the corner with industry-changing features and enhancements. Today, we're excited to introduce what's new in SWOOD 2026. Our goal is simple: make your workflows faster, smarter and more efficient, with a lot of new features from design to manufacturing, including automation and reporting. Let's dive into it.
This year's major focus for SWOOD Design is the SWOOD Box. The SWOOD Box can now adapt its geometry to non-cubic environments. It handles complex furniture shapes like underslope units or angled cabinets, taking the SWOOD Box truly out of the box. We've not forgotten about the SWOOD Box machining. They become completely free as well. They can work in any direction or any plane orientation. Mixing these two features offers you endless design capabilities. Finally, the SWOOD Box parameters can now be translated into any language, making it easier to collaborate with international teams.
This year, we push SWOOD CAM machining automation even further. It is now possible to create complex automation rules using filters and relations between operations. Integrating your machining strategies, even the most complex ones, has never been this easy. We also introduced a new machine contour operation that gives you more flexibility with your production, allowing you to make last-minute changes directly on the CNC machine easily. We keep working on 3D machining by adding new 3D finishing strategies alongside a new 3D roughing operation, offering more freedom and possibilities when working on your projects. Finally, it is now possible to reopen an existing nesting assembly and apply modifications, keeping your initial work safe.
Now a quick word on SWOOD Report. New document types are available. We can now export the cutting pattern result into a PTX file for beam saw. In addition to the PDF file, we now offer batch CSV export and GLB/GLTF export directly from the SWOOD Report.
There is more to discover, so stay tuned for our next videos and posts on social media. Don't forget to register for our upcoming What's New in SWOOD 2026 webinar. This is the perfect moment to discover everything you need to know about our new features. Links in the description.